Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this one we have number 1, this one that is about the constant, so you got number 0 because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 4, we have number 4 in here. So I will put number 4 cone here to find the value of u. So number 2 with number 4, we have number 8. 8 with number 5, we have 13. When s equals to number 5, we put number 5 cone here. So we have number 10 with number 5, we have 15. This one we change by u. The s we change by this one. Now we have the formula in here. So this one we have u to the power of 3 over 3. And we put the bounds from 13 to 15. And now we have the final answer. We calculate this one and we have 589 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.